Hi everyone, I hope y'all are doing well. I am excited. I'm going to be doing a flip through of my strawberry journals in this strawberry and lace themed collection. They are listed up on my Etsy shop Wednesday, August 14th. So I'm going to start with the smallest ones and go to the biggest ones. And yeah, you can check out the listing. I'll make sure to link it down below. So I have 3 of these mini ones. So if you go over to Etsy, these are what are the mini ones. And I used these fun little craft bags to make these journals. And I have some fabric for the cover. I did some sewing around the edges. And then I have a mix of vintage papers, and then I have avocado dyed envelopes and papers and tea dyed papers, some vintage lace and ribbons. So they're super cute. Got a little tuck right there. They all come with a paper clip and just super cute. Lots of lace. So that is one of them. And then here is the next one. I think this fabric is really cute too. And they're all very similar. And this cute little envelope. And I love the strawberry paper. And we have 2 little tucks on that page. And then another pocket. And then you have a pocket back here. And with these small journals, you'll get just a small little dangle. I haven't made those yet, but it'll just be a small little dangle with a little strawberry bead and a couple other little beads. I'll make sure to put a photo over on Etsy of the dangle. And another pocket. Like I said, they're all very similar and adorable. I just love this little mini size. The next size on my Etsy listing are called small, and that's these here. And if you want a strawberry applique on a mini, just let me know. Just send me an email or a note, and I will include the applique. I just didn't know if people would want it on the smaller one. All right, or on the minis. So this is the small size. Super cute vintage lace, and I made these with a 9x6 envelope. And so you can still use that envelope and put things in it. So you can open that up. But again, just some fun little vintage and avocado dyed papers, some stamps and stickers, and a bunch of fun lace. I love all the lace added on here. And look at that sweet vintage strawberry paper. And some more pockets, the paper clip, avocado dyed paper. Love this lace, so pretty. All right, and then the next small one is this one here. Love this fabric. Another pocket here. And again, very similar, each one. This, you have your pocket from the top on here. Another fabric tab. Another little pocket, lace pocket. Love the strawberry shortcake paper. Sweet strawberry. And fun little double lace pocket here. Little belly band. Another pocket. And then another pocket back here. And then the third small one is this one here. And this is an antique little lace applique. I thought that helped the strawberry pop off of this fabric. And oh, the other thing I wanted to note, that each of these kits they'll get some photo, what are these called? Photo pockets. And then I'll have an array of other just fun little ephemera pieces that will be included with the journal as well. And I love this little pocket, and it wraps around for a tab. I think that's a fun little touch. And some more tea-dyed paper, some more vintage recipe paper, and this fun strawberry paper. And then this is a fun little student scorecard, a little side tuck, your paper clip, and another little tuck right here, and another little pocket on the side. I love this ribbon too. And then another pocket in the back. So those are the smalls. And then this is the tall. So I just have one tall left. And I love this fabric. So I have the rickrack and the lace trim. And then you have a fun little lace tuck right here. Some more of that fun strawberry paper. And then this is a digital of mine. And some more tea-dyed and avocado-dyed papers. And I love this lace pocket here. And some vintage ledger paper. And then I love the center of this one. Sweet little strawberry cross-stitch book page, vintage. And then you have a little tuck on the side of the ledger paper. And then here is a little pocket with some napkin that I decoupaged. And then, oops, I paper clipped those two together. But again, this is avocado dyed, tea dyed, and then you have a fun ribbon pocket back here, and then another little side tuck. So ready for you to start using and decorating. And this will come with a spine dangle. And next up, I will show you the two single signatures. And I will include a little bit, it'll either be seam binding or some sort of lace or ribbon closures for the minis, the small and the tall. I just hadn't put them on yet. But here is some seam binding closure. And I love how these colors go nicely with the cover. But this is, in the listing, is called a single signature. And I'll undo the ribbon there. And again, beautiful fabric. Love this fabric. And then you have a little pocket here. And this is one of my digitals, strawberry digitals. A little side pocket here with the lace. Some vintage school paper. And I love this crinkly tracing paper. Some more strawberry cookbook page. Another digital of mine. A fun little envelope pocket. Some tea-dyed paper. Another digital of mine. A little side tuck and a belly band. And I did some stitching. And then this is fun. You can either leave it like this, or you could glue these two sides down to make this into a side tuck, or you could glue this and have it be a top loading pocket, or you can leave it as is, or you can glue it all the way shut and just make it a top loading pocket, or just glue this and have that be a top loading pocket, and then this be a side tuck. So lots of different options with that fun little card. I tried to put a lot of different types of laces in these. And then you can add more onto this page if you want to. Another digital of mine, the paper clip. And then one of my favorite things to make the little envelope pocket. So you have 3 pockets here that you can put things in there. And then the final pocket. And that is that single signature. And then this was my favorite single signature to make. And I made this on a live with you guys. And again, the seam binding, love it. So this is my quilted patchwork journal cover. And this one has some batting behind it, so it's a little squishy, which I love. And these are vintage fabrics. Not all of them, but definitely these are vintage in the applique. And then we have, again, my digitals. So again, very similar. A little tag. Yeah, so this is another example of some of the things that you'll get with the little ephemera pack that comes with the journal. Another digital pocket. Some fun pockets, some more avocado dyed paper, a belly band, a fun little ruffle, and then the same little envelope here, another digital of mine. And paper clip. And then this one, I actually turned this into a tuck right here. And then the other side of that recipe, and then my digital. So I think those turned out nice. And then here is what the spine dangle will look like for each. Let me take it off here, might be a little bit easier. So the spine dangle, it has a mix of ribbon and lace and rickrack on there, and other little trims. And then I've also included, I have a sparkly strawberry bead, this strawberry bead, some other sparkle beads. I love a little sparkle butterfly, and these pretty green beads. And then we have this little fun bead right here, and then some fun little fuzzy ribbon. So, and these are removable, so you can clip them on and then take them off when you're ready to like open up your journal and do some writing in it. But I think those turned out quite nice. So the tall journal, the 2 single signatures, and these 2 multi-signatures will get a spine dangle that looks like that. And then for the small and the minis, I'm gonna have just a simple spine dangle, and I'll get some pictures up there once I get that squared away. I meant to have that ready for this, and I could just completely forgot. All right, so these are the 2 3 signature journals. So this one is a vintage, both of these are vintage fabrics. Absolutely love this journal. And I'm just going to do a quick little flip through. Again, I've used some of my digitals, added just a little bit of decorations here and there, some sewing. So these are coffee dyed or tea dyed or avocado dyed papers. And like here's another example of things that might be in your ephemera pack. Each one's going to be a little bit different. Like here's another example. I love this crochet pocket. Another digital, and here's another example of something. So, and then you have this fun envelope again. The ribbon detail. Here I've added a fun little lace flip up. And then some coffee dyed pattern paper. Coffee dyed doily. Another digital. Some scrapbook paper. Here's another tuck. And then here is a sewing pattern. And I love because it has, you know, the watermelon and the cherries on here. So pretty. And then on the back side of this, I've added a fun little lace flip and used a paper clip to hold it down. And another pocket with the napkin, another fabric pocket, and here's just another example of what might come in your kit, and another digital, some more fun avocado dyed paper. So lots of room for you to do decorating and creating. Here we have a double belly band here, and more strawberry paper, more lace, another really cute strawberry cross stitch paper, fun little stationery paper, and here we got a double pocket. And again, another example is the recipe card. So lots of fun stuff. So, you know, those are just examples of what you might get in your ephemera kit. So just so you're aware. And that's this one. And then this one. So these are not, this might be vintage, but this is not vintage. And I've done, you know, all the book corners on these. Again, more of my digital papers, pockets, same sort of thing. And this is some strawberry book page. I think that's so pretty. And another digital of mine. And these little fun pockets here, some stenciling, a belly band, and some more of that stationery, another digital of mine. Fun little denim pocket. And then fun ribbon detail. Another pocket. So lots of pockets, but there's lots of room to add more. And then this strawberry fabric pattern has the little strawberry dress and these sweet little girls. And I did the same sort of lace little flip up thing. And I love that next to this page too. And that lace, belly band, another digital of mine. And then this is just a cute little baby pocket. I had a little bit of that vintage fabric left, and I like it with the green. The back of that. Another pocket. And then I think this is a fun little, to have the tab up top, so it kind of sticks out the top. And then pocket. I love this wavy sewing detail. Some pretty scrapbook paper. Love this crochet fabric. And another digital. And another pocket here. And another vintage fabric pocket. And then the back. So these are under the Etsy listing. These are called the 3 signature journals. Okay, so I'll have more details in the Etsy description, but like I said, the tall skinny, the 2 single signatures, and the 2 multi-signatures will get a spine dangle very similar to this one that's removable. And then the minis and the smalls will get just a smaller little spine dangle. And I have these listed in the listing A, B, C, so you just pick which one. I have the photos in there, so you pick which one you want. If you have any questions, you know, just leave a comment here on this video, or you can email me. My email's down in the description box. And yeah, so I'm really excited how all these turned out. I hope you all like them too. And yeah, so I just wanted to do a flip through. I know that sometimes helps people when they are shopping for journals. All right, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.